Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike. Today's build is a wine bottle bird feeder. Something I've always wanted to try and build. I decided let's do it. And that's what we're building today. But first, in the first couple of frames is a parts list. And in that parts list is going to be the width and length and the cuts for all the pieces to this. So if you want that cut list, that diagram, you can screenshot it, or if you watch it on the TV, you can take a picture of it, and that way you've got it. So now sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy this build.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how it's mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Static sings the harmony. I couldn't ask for more. Let the porch light burn uneven, let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven, keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, it'll do for today. The fire burned out, the warmth has gone away. The fire burned out, darling, the warmth has gone away. You turned so cold on me, baby, and you'll miss my love someday. The fire burned out, it's fading slow indeed.
let's burn it.
It's fading slow indeed. I'll keep on moving forward, but I'll cry myself to sleep.
Now that I've got it burned, time to throw some white on it. I like that look. I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, I painted it white. I hope you enjoyed this build. I enjoyed doing it. This is the first time I built one of these. I'm sure I can improve on it. I'm sure you guys can improve on it. But I just wanted to do it. I did it. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.